Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit salad ice candy. First, gather your fresh fruits such as ripe mangoes, sweet pineapples, and creamy bananas. Next, prepare your liquid base using sweetened condensed milk and all-purpose cream. Don't forget your ice candy bags and a funnel for easy pouring. This simple treat is perfect for a warm day, offering a delightful blend of flavors and a refreshing chill. Now, let's prepare the fruit mixture. Dice all your chosen fruits into small, uniform pieces, ensuring they are bite-sized. In a large mixing bowl, combine these diced fruits. Next, pour in the sweetened condensed milk and the all-purpose cream. Gently mix everything together until the fruits are evenly coated and the mixture looks creamy and inviting. This step is crucial for a balanced flavor in every bite. Once your fruit mixture is ready, it's time to fill the ice candy bags. Carefully spoon the mixture into each bag, using a funnel if needed to prevent spills. Remember to leave about 1/4 of the bag empty at the top. This space is essential for securely tying a knot. Arrange the filled bags flat in your freezer, allowing them to freeze completely until solid. This usually takes several hours or overnight. Finally, your delicious homemade fruit salad ice candy is ready to enjoy. Serve these refreshing treats on a hot day or as a delightful dessert. Feel free to experiment with various fruit combinations to discover your favorite flavors. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Store any remaining ice candy in the freezer to keep them perfectly chilled for future enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.